In this video, I will show you how to connect Coinbase wallet to Uniswap. So let's jump straight into it. Now to go ahead and do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a mobile browser on your device. What you need to do is come across to app.uniswap.org, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. Just a note, you have to do it on the mobile browser. You cannot do this through the Uniswap app. So once you've come across to the Uniswap app on your mobile browser, you will notice in the top right hand corner, there's an option to connect. So you want to press onto the pink connect button. And at this point, it's going to bring up a screen like this. So you can see Coinbase wallet here. So what you want to do is press onto Coinbase. And what that's going to do is redirect you to your Coinbase wallet. At this point, you're going to get a permission screen like this. All you want to do is come down and press the blue allow button. And if you have a password, you just want to enter that in. And as you can see, we've now got a confirmation saying you're connected to Uniswap. So we can just come down and press done. And now we can use Uniswap to transfer crypto from Coinbase. So that is how to connect Coinbase wallet to Uniswap. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.